the lesson continues. Hope you copied the notes, because it's very important that you get those things written down. Now let's look at the types of plains. We are going to base the type of plains on formation, that is how they are formed. And based on that, there are three main types of plains, which are: 1. Structural plains. In other words, we call them tectonic plains. That is, plains formed as a result of tectonic movement. Then we have erosional plains. That is, plains formed as a result of erosion. And depositional plains, as plains formed as a result of deposition of sediments or materials at a particular place. So these are the three types of plains that we have. Without wasting time, let's look at the structural plains. When we talk about the structural plains or the tectonic plains, these are structurally depressed or upliftment areas of the earth, which make up some of the most extensive natural lowlands on Earth's surface. What we are saying is that it is a depressed lowland or an upliftment of a place on the Earth's surface. And this is done as a result of tectonic movement. That is, whether plates compress or divert. Let's look at how they are formed. These plains are formed mainly by the upliftment of a part of the sea floor or the continental shelf. It may also be formed by the subsidence of areas. That is, when a part of the earth is depressed or moved down, plains can also form. And as I said earlier, when part of the sea floor or the continental shelf rises up as a result of tectonic movement, structural plains can also form. So structural plains are plains formed as a result of tectonic movement. Let's look at some example of the structural plain. This is the southeastern plain of the United States, known as the Great Plains. It was formed by the upliftment of a part of the Gulf of Mexico. So when part of the Gulf of Mexico rised up as a result of tectonic movement, this United States plain, known as the Great Plains, was formed. Then plains formed as a result of subsidence, that's the depression of land. An example is the lowlands of Australia. All these lands that you see were formed as a result of depression. That is part of the land subsiding within. So this is how structural plains are formed. So let's put this one down and complete a quick exercise so that we can continue with the rest.